name is Icy.
My name is Luna.
And we'll be unboxing the Archer and Olive September subscription box.
Ta-da! Ooh. Take it Archer Olive. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? What's inside the box?
Oh.
What's inside the box? 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 What's inside the box?
Are you ready to open the box?
Yes. Ooh.
Alright, Barbara, let's just take this moment to appreciate the beautiful subscription box just right here. And let's open it and have a look at what's inside. Yes!
Wow. So when
Wow, so beautiful.
So when I took a peek at this box and I was like,
So funny.
I think this is my most favorite subscription box. Second is the December 2021. Look at that! Vintage core. So let's see what's inside. So again, thank you to Archer and Olive for sending us the September 2022 subscription box.
Quick. 2021 subscription. Wow.
What?
It's good. Wow.
Let's see what's inside. We've got 2 notebooks, vintage inspired ribbon, got a flower press box, a wooden ruler, a set of acrylograph pens, a set of 4 washi tapes.
3.
4.
3.
4. What are these?
Stickers.
Vintage alphabet stamps and an ink pad.
Extra olive.
So what I love about the subscription box is that there's a different theme for every box, and this box has a vintage theme and I love it so much. We'll start with my favorite part. Let's start with the notebooks. You want to open the baby one or the mama one?
Yes.
The baby one.
So first up, we've got a brown vegan leather ring-bound B6 notebook. And it is serving vintage and cottagecore, which I am loving at the moment. Let's have a look inside. Oh, hunty. I must say the gold patterns and the rings elevate this 160 GSM dot grid notebook to the highest level.
Let's open the mama notebook.
Queen. Can I get it?
Wow! Wow!
Let's have a look at this Queen Mama Honeybee notebook. So this B5 Queen velvet green notebook is serving up so much elegance. The texture Barbara, and the rose gold edges Barbara, and the ribbon on the side Barbara. Opulence. Gorgeous. Everything about it is just gorgeous. I love the cream pages, and I'll just compare the color right here. I don't know why, but this notebook is serving Queen Elizabeth vibes, and it is just plain royalty.
By ears, press the tree, try to catch me.
See, it's a wooden ruler. Can you pull this?
Yes, something we can use to measure stuff, which I think is in inches. I talk in centimeters, but that okay.
Vintage inspired ribbons.
Wow. It's 4.
No, how many are there?
It's 3. Wow.
Wow!
So pretty.
What color is this one?
Brown, white, pink.
Another unique feature of this sub box are these vintage inspired ribbons, which I can finally use to tie my life together and look fierce in the process.
Set of acrylograph pens. How many pens are there?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10!
There's only 5.
So hi, my name is Icy. I'm a penaholic, and welcome to Penaholics Anonymous Vintage Chapter.
And we've got a flower press box. Floral press. Ooh, you put flowers under here so they so they can last forever.
So another unique item in this sub box is a flower press. So make sure to scan the QR code right here for instructions on how you can serve some fierce floral freshness in your bullet journal and everywhere else. Floral extravaganza, anyone?
And next up, we've got a set of alphabet stamps and an ink pad. Wow.
I want the baby one.
Okay, open the baby one.
And you open the mom one.
Okay. Beautiful.
I don't know how to open this. A, B, C, D.
Yay! They're all there. So we verified that the all letters are in the alphabet stamp. And it also comes with an ink pad.
So having a closer look at the alphabet stamps. Beautiful wooden case. Loving the sans serif font. And the ink pad. Barbara, the ink pad. Look at the ink pad. Let's test this shimmery copper ink. Very, 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 very fierce.
And we've got a set of washi tape.
So a closer look at the washi tape set. We've got a nice muted blush pink. A very, very milky chocolate brown. This blue reminds me of Frozen. Hard to see the green on green, but it's green on green. And those are the washi tapes.
This is my favorite. A sticker.
You want to open it? And then you show them what stickers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 stickers. Which one's your favorite one?
This one.
What is that? Show them your...
Papaya.
Is this a papaya sticker?
Yes.
That's a fig.
Fig.
Have you seen a fig before?
Yes.
You have?
No.
What's this one? Is this your favorite?
Orange. It's an orange.
Do you like oranges?
Yes.
This one, what's this one?
House.
So these stickers, I like the fact that they are translucent. And here's a closer look at the 4 designs.
So those are the beautiful things that are inside the Archer and Olive September 2022 subscription box. Did you like the box? Is it beautiful?
Yes.
Thank you again to Archer and Olive for sending the beautiful subscription box over.
Thank you, Archer Hours.
And I am an Archer and Olive affiliate. Please feel free to use my discount code ICStudio10 for 10% off eligible items. And a little disclaimer that I get a small commission every time my code and links are used. So thank you for your support, fam.
Thank you so much.
And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye, friends. Bye.
Cover it until it's dark. Yay!